Hi guys, I just wanted to let you know that the results from the SurveyMonkey have come in, and over 80% of you were in favor of meeting weekly in a live format online, and so we are going to go ahead and do that. These sessions will not be mandatory, but they are encouraged, as I will be providing instruction, answering questions, providing additional clarification for assignments, so it's to your benefit to attend these meetings. I'm going to also try to record them as well, so if you don't happen to make it or aren't on time to one of the sessions, that the full transcript and recording of the session should be available. So this is the first time that I'm doing some sort of a live session online, as when I teach online I always make everything just do independently, and the students don't ever have to report at a specific day and time. So this is new for me, so it'll be new for all of us. So just bear with me for this first session as we work through this and kind of get the feel of how this platform works that we will be using. So I just wanted to show you some instructions on how to access that web platform that we will be using for the live session. So on the left hand of your Blackboard menu here, you're going to see this tab titled Blackboard Collaborate. So you're going to click into that. Once you click into that, it's going to have this option here that just says Spring 2020 Credit Courses. It has our course name, and then it says our course room. And so this is where you're going to click into. Once you click on that, it opens this menu here, and you're just going to click Join Course Room. Now, right now, there's nothing really going on because no one else is in the room with us, but it's going to show you that you're joining the session. It's going to give you some prompts. The one thing that you're going to need to do once you get in here is you're going to need to make sure that you have your share audio button clicked, and you're going to need to click your share video button as well, so then it turns on your webcam. So as long as there's not a slash, so see this one's green, so that means it's on, but this one has a slash, so it's off. So just make sure there's no slash over those buttons so that you can fully participate, and then I can hear you if you're talking and see you as well. So I know we're all hungry for connection because everyone's been out of contact with everyone, and this will just be a fun way to connect with each other. So within this platform, I'll be able to share screens. I'll be able to show you I can show you PowerPoints or call up anything that I need to show you to reference for our course as well. So that's going to be open every Thursday during our normal class time, which will be Thursdays from 12:30 to 1:45. We may not need to meet that whole time, but I am going to be available that entire time in case anyone has any questions. The first part of the time will be spent just kind of doing some updates, then I'll give some instruction and clarification on content. I'll go over any assignments that are due, and then again I'll end with some just Q&A time for anyone that has any questions. So again, it'll be a nice time for us just to touch base. We can be together again in a live setting. Obviously it will look a lot different than it does on campus, but I do think that it will be beneficial to be able to meet in that context as well. So if you have any questions about that, please feel free to let me know. Again, this is going to be the first time that I am doing this, so bear with me as we work through this process, and hopefully by the next week we will have it all down pat and it'll be easy peasy. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I will see you tomorrow, Thursday, April the 2nd, for our very first live session at 12:30. See you then.